Imagine ending your day with tired, blurry eyes, struggling to read, squinting at screens, or feeling that scratchy dryness that seems to linger no matter how much you blink. But what if there was a simple way to wake up with clearer, more comfortable vision? It might sound impossible, but nature has provided a solution that's hiding in plain sight, right in your kitchen. Tonight, we're unlocking the secret of a humble vegetable that, when cooked and enjoyed before bed, works with your body's own repair system to help restore your eyes overnight. Every night while you sleep, your body goes to work, repairing and renewing itself. This natural night repair system isn't just for your muscles or skin. It's active in your eyes too. As you drift into deep rest, your eyes begin to rebuild, refreshing the cells that help you see the world. Some people notice the difference, waking up with eyes that feel less dry, less irritated, and even a bit sharper. But there's a way to boost this process, and it's not found in a prescription bottle or a fancy eye drop. It's a vegetable you've likely eaten all your life, but you may not be using it to its full potential. Doctors don't always mention this, but scientists have uncovered something remarkable about cooked carrots. Yes, carrots. Those familiar orange roots that are often chopped into salads or served raw as a snack. But here's the catch. Raw carrots, while healthy, don't deliver all their eye-nourishing power. The key lies in cooking them. When carrots are gently steamed, boiled, or sautéed, their tough cell walls break down, releasing beta-carotene. This nutrient is then transformed inside your body into vitamin A, which is absolutely essential for healthy eyes. Think of vitamin A as the oil that keeps the delicate machinery of your eyes running smoothly. It helps maintain moisture, sharpness, and resilience, protecting your vision from the wear and tear of aging. Those who don't get enough vitamin A, especially seniors, are 3 times more likely to develop night blindness, struggling to see in low light or stumbling in the dark. Just half a cup of cooked carrots each day can make a significant difference, improving moisture, reducing blurry vision, and even helping defend against macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. But how does this process work? It's all about absorption. When you cook carrots and pair them with a bit of healthy fat, such as olive or coconut oil, the beta-carotene becomes far more bioavailable. That means your body can capture and use it efficiently. The vitamin A that results travels through your bloodstream, reaching your retina, the part of your eye responsible for processing light. There, it nourishes the rods and cones, the tiny cells that allow you to see clearly, especially in dim lighting. It's like fueling your eyes with the nutrients they need to repair themselves while you sleep. Let me share a story. Linda, a 72-year-old grandmother, used to complain about her eyes feeling sandy and dry every evening. She tried glasses and artificial tears, but nothing seemed to help. One day, she decided to add a bowl of cooked carrot soup to her dinner ritual. Within weeks, she noticed a change. The dryness faded, and she stopped rubbing her eyes all the time. She woke up feeling refreshed, her eyes alive again, as she put it. What she experienced wasn't magic, but the natural power of nutrition. Simple, effective, and life-changing. Want to try this yourself? Here's a practical way to make cooked carrots part of your nightly routine. Begin by slicing fresh carrots into rounds or sticks. Steam or lightly boil them for about 7 to 10 minutes, just enough to make them tender but not mushy. Drizzle with a healthy fat like olive or coconut oil to maximize nutrient absorption. Serve them as a side dish with your dinner, aiming for at least 3 to 4 nights a week. That's it. No special equipment, no complicated recipes, just wholesome food fueling your body's natural repair. If you'd like to supercharge your results, carrots can team up with other vision-boosting vegetables. Add spinach or kale to your plate, both packed with lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients act like sunglasses for your eyes, shielding them from harmful light and reducing the risk of age-related vision decline. You can also rotate in sweet potatoes and pumpkin, rich in similar carotenoids, for variety and even greater protection. The science behind these foods is compelling. Studies show that seniors who regularly consume carotenoid-rich vegetables have a lower risk of night blindness, dry eye, and macular degeneration. Lutein and zeaxanthin, found in dark leafy greens, build up in the retina, acting as natural filters against damaging blue light. Meanwhile, vitamin A from cooked carrots keeps the surface of your eye moist and comfortable, reducing eye irritation and blurriness. Eating for your eyes isn't just about adding one food, it's about building a habit. By cooking carrots and pairing them with healthy fats and other greens, you're giving your body the tools it needs to protect and restore your vision. The best part? These changes are easy to make, delicious to eat, and backed by decades of nutritional research. So, before you reach for another pill or spend on expensive drops, remember this. The answer to better vision may be waiting in your kitchen. A simple plate of cooked carrots before bed can support your body's nightly repair process, helping you wake up with eyes that feel refreshed, comfortable, and ready to greet the day. It's a small step that could make a big difference, not just for how you see, but for how you live. Tonight, as you prepare your dinner, consider adding cooked carrots to your plate. Try them steamed, roasted, or in a soothing bowl of soup. Pair them with a drizzle of olive oil and a handful of spinach or kale. With every bite, you're nourishing your eyes, supporting natural repair, and investing in lifelong vision. Start tonight and let your eyes thank you tomorrow morning with a brighter, clearer outlook on life.